welcome back. So today I have the last video for Gucci bag review, and this is to review the two camera bag here. One is the mini size, one is the small size. So before we going further, let's get into the measurement. So this one from here to here length is 9.5 inch, from here to here is 5 inch, and the deep is 3 inch. And the mini one is from here to here is 7.5, from here to here is 5 inch, and the deep is 2.5 inch. Let me just show you side by side. You can see the difference. This one is way bigger than the mini, and let me put it together. As you can see, their height almost the same, but the length definitely is, this one is much bigger. And the one I have here is antique rose. That's what they call. Maybe I was wrong, but that's the color. They also have the white one, black one, and red one. So that's what they have it. And the same thing, it's a chevron print. And this is the antique gold hardware with the strap, and this strap is adjustable. As you can see, it's different from the mini one. Doesn't have the adjustable. It's the main to be a crossbody, but this one you can wear as a shoulder bag as well. So I will do the model shot so you guys will see it. And the back there also has the GG, so you can wear the both side, front side or back side. And it has the pocket inside. This is the inside pocket, one compartment only. Inside it's the same material. It has like a suede material. And this one, you guys, I will link the previous video. I had a review comparison with the super mini, so you can see. And this one is same thing, and the same thing as this one as usual. And the one compartment back have the back pocket. So in this video we will do how much this one can fit, and then we have an idea, you know, which one to go, because between this one, which is like $200 difference, so it depends which one you want to pick it up. So this one is pretty big, as you can see. So I'm gonna put everything that I use daily into this one, see if I can fit everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna put into this handbag. So as usual, you will see my pocket organizer, my Louis Vuitton Zoe wallet, and the Louis Vuitton key clay, and cell phone, the 7 Plus, and with the case. As you can see, this case is big. The 6 card holder, and my key clay with the coin purse. You know, I use it as a coin purse. Also, one more, I will fit the reading glasses, and of course my lipstick case. We're gonna fit everything there, see if we have a problem to fit. Look, this is how much you can fit everything. So I'm gonna take the photo to show you how much I fit into this bag, so you can take a look. This is all the stuff that I put into this bag, and I'm gonna close it up. It's like no problem, but it's heavy, you know. I have a lot of stuff there, so definitely probably not able to fit this one because it's too big. It's a Tom Ford sunglasses. But if you use a soft case, I think maybe you can fit this one as well. So definitely not able to fit. This is how much I can fit in this bag. As you know, I did the previous video, and you guys already know how much this mini can fit, but I'm gonna still to show you. Okay, so I will take the Zoe wallet, and the 6 key holder, and the pocket organizer. What else? And my cell phone. That's how I did it at the previous video. And also the key clay that I use as coin purse. And today I can put the lipstick case. So this is how much this one can be fit. What did not go into this mini is the key clay and the reading glasses, plus my cell phone case. So these three things doesn't go into mini camera bag, which I think is still good, right, for the price of this, you know, and it's pretty good. You can fit everything essentially, so you can fit all the essential into this little bag. So definitely I think this one is nice to go as well. So later I'm gonna show you the model shot, and I also will put both bags side by side on the table so you can see the size more clearly. So as you can see, this is side by side, and this is the size different from both mini and small. Let me check if I put it here so you can see this. This is the difference. It's clear to see it. I don't know if I mentioned it, this one is not adjustable strap, so it's meant to be wear as a crossbody, and that one is adjustable, so you can wear a shoulder bag as well. Wear as a shoulder bag, so I will adjust it to the shortest one. That's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this video also help you to decide which size you wanted to go, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.